Can I start? First of all, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. And what's about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well, and thank you for asking. So, this is our first session, so I would like to know a little bit about yourself.
Okay, my name is Rajesh Jagtav, and I belongs to Maharashtra. And I also started YouTube channel recently.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So actually, I want to improve my English.
Okay, that's nice. And what's your qualification, and are you doing any work now?
My qualification is I did BTech in mechanical, and I'm looking for a job in IT sector.
Oh, that's nice. So, I'm in IT sector actually.
Oh, so you are also working in IT?
Yes, yes, I am. Okay, so let me introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And my qualification, I have done engineering from computer science. And currently, I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And it's been 4 years, more than 4 years in my company. And yes, I'm running my YouTube channel as well. That's all about me.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you tell me how I can get? Means how can I attend the interview? Means
Okay,
which
so
things is for interview?
recently you graduated
Yes, in 2021.
2021. Okay. So have you given any interview in like in for IT?
Yes, yes, I attended 10 interviews.
Okay. So, what are the difficulties you are facing, and what do you see? What kind of candidate they want?
Nowadays, ma'am, there is a recession in IT sector. So they want those candidates are very skillful. They have good practical knowledge.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. And in IT, it is like mandatory. If you have well skilled and you have knowledge about everything, then you can easily, get a job in IT. And for example, you are like you have any kind of areas where you want, like in web development side or support side or
Software testing.
software developer
Yeah, software testing.
in testing side. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so you should have knowledge about testing field.
yeah. I have knowledge of testing.
So have you worked before as well, or?
No, I did some software testing course in Pune
Mm-hmm.
from one institute. But ma'am, do you know that classes made very frauds? They give the suggestion advice to the student, join this course, we will give the 100% placement, but
Mm-hmm.
after that they not provide placement. It's a problem.
Yes, yes. Interview you have to clear. They will only guide you. They will only give that kind of training as well. But
Training.
ultimately, you have to try and you have to crack the interview. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, like you have given so many interviews, so you must have learned something like where you are doing any mistakes and what are the areas you have to improve.
Yes, yes. Actually, when I attended first interview, that time I don't know how to speak, means confidence level also. They check mostly confidence and
Mm-hmm.
practical knowledge. So I didn't answer some questions. So and I think I am belongs to mechanical field. So it's also very difficult for non-IT background to switch in IT.
Yes, yes, yes. You are absolutely right. And yes, if you are from the different background and if you want to switch in IT, so they will find out that you have skill, then only they will select you. Because we have multiple candidates who are especially from IT or CS background.
Sorry, ma'am, I had a call.
Okay,
So,
okay, no issues. Okay.
what's the name of the YouTube channel, ma'am?
My channel name is Learn with Tannu.
Okay, definitely I will
Okay, so
subscribe.
okay, thank you. And yes, I want to know about like when did you started channel and what is the reason behind it?
I have started a channel on 1st December. I had uploaded five videos, but after that I
Mm-hmm.
quit because of I have some means. I don't have time to give or upload the video. But now I decided I will also start now again.
Oh, okay. That is nice. And yes, in YouTube, you have to be consistent, then only you can grow.
Uh,
I have started my channel it's more than 1 year. And now it is a little bit okay, I can say. It is going smoothly. But before that, when I was not getting good response, so I was like, I should not continue these things and all. But nowadays, I'm also consistent regarding these things.
uh, Ma'am, please give me some tips because of I use many application, means audio application for improving English.
Mm-hmm.
But when I face to camera on the Skype, so that time also sometime I stuck.
Okay, so yes, it happens in the beginning, and you won't believe that I was also kind of same person. I don't even know that how to speak with different people, and I'm still struggling in my meetings as well when I have to deal with clients and customers. So I thought like I should work on my communication, and I was not getting good way how I can improve my English. And one day I just started one of the conversational videos, and now I'm continuously doing it. So, and because of this practice, I have improved a lot. Whenever I see my first video and now, then I can totally feel the difference. Yes, I have improved a lot. Yes, in English I can't say that I now I'm fluent and all this thing, but yes, I little bit I am comfortable that I can talk with anyone. But still I have to cross a long journey.
Yes. Actually, when we talk on the video call, it's like real talk. So definitely we will improve our confidence also.
Yes. I had also started because of this thinking only. I was very underconfident. I was like, whenever I have to face the camera, then my heartbeat is increasing, and I was not able to speak. And now, whatever things in coming in my mind, so I'm just trying to speak. No matter I'm doing any mistakes, so what people will think, let them think, and I'm just speaking. Whatever is coming in my mind, so it will take only few days for you as well if you are facing this difficulty now, but I would say that in 1 or 2 months you will improve a lot.
So, ma'am, how means in a single day means how
Mhm.
many sessions I will attend means for if I wanna improve my communication skill.
uh, it depends on you, like if you have time so you can attend more session as well, but 2 session is sufficient, I think.
Okay. Okay.
And
I
now.
get 1 hour easily. I get 1 hour for practice.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. If you have time, so you can do two conversation, and whenever you have time, so it no matter that you have to speak only this kind of conversational videos, so you can learn other things as well. You can practice by yourself whenever you are going out, and if you are sitting at home, so just try to speak with yourself and take one topic and try to speak on that topic. So in this way, you can improve. It's not only that every day you have to find a people with whom you can talk for a long time and all this thing. I'm
Yeah.
just making one conversation a day, and if I have weekend or something, then I do 2 or 3 conversations, that's it only. And I focus more on some different aspect of English as well, like listening part. So I'm just focusing on listening as well if I have time.
Yes. Yes. You I also use some mobile application like real life English application. It's a video call application, and we talk with the foreigner also.
Okay, which application?
Real life English.
Okay, so is it free or paid?
It's a free and 8 minute free per call.
Okay, that I think it is nice if you are getting free and you can talk on a video call.
Yes, yes. And mostly we can connect with the Russian, Poland, Philippines. So I have
Okay,
so many friends.
okay, that's nice. Yes, I have heard so many application as well, but I afraid a lot while talking on different platform. And I think I had downloaded one application, and like on the other side one boy came, and he started to talk on a very bad manners, I think. So
Yes, ma'am.
I thought,
That's why that's means bad for that application
yes,
because
yes,
of
that's why.
co-learner should be like same.
Yes, yes. And why people do this, I don't know. If you want to improve your English, it's not only for just for your fun, right? That you have to talk with any kind of people and you can talk anything. If you really want to improve your English, then be elegant that time. Yes, I'm talking
Yeah.
in your real life, whatever person you are. But if you are trying to practice or learning something, then you should be elegant that time.
Yes, yes. Because of I have seen on the other application like Clapingo, Cambly, they
Mm-hmm.
take charges for this type of the conversation video, but it's a free platform on the Skype.
Yes, that is the main thing. People don't respect free things, right?
Yes. Actually, my pen even I also that time when I was watched some video in lockdown time on the
Mm-hmm.
YouTube
Okay.
to take the one-to-one video session, but that time I didn't know. But right now I got some information through the YouTube. We can easily record a video on the Skype.
Yes, yes, you're right. And when I started my channel, that time also I was not know that everybody is doing this kind of conversational videos. And only one session I had uploaded clapping of video, and suddenly I was getting mail of different co-learners as well. And now I'm enjoying it, talking with different people.
Yeah, it's
And
a
they are
great thing.
genuine, they are genuine because they also want to learn English. So we are just kind of session like yes, we have to take the session or give the session.
Yes, yes. When we talk means with the different type of people, means we get also vocabulary and some knowledge, information also.
Yes, you are right.
And ma'am, how you started your journey for learning English? Can you share me?
Yes. So when I completed my graduation, that time I was not speaking in English because I did my schooling in Hindi medium school. And when I suddenly appeared for the interview, so you already know that for IT you have to speak everything in English and you have to crack the interview. And communication is also matter here because you have to interact with different people. So your communication should be good. And I was rejected in many interviews. You won't believe because of communication skills only. And that time I thought no, I should work on my communication, but we have some different things as well to learn, like technical things, so I didn't focus more on English part. And yes, fortunately I got placed because I have given so many interviews, so I got the ideas like what are the questions they are asking, and I have prepared accordingly. And when I joined my company, then in meeting also I have to speak in English only, so I was struggling a lot. So one day I decided I should work on my communication, and because of communication you are not able to express yourself. So I started like that, and I'm daily now I'm conversing with different people as well. And yes, whenever I have time, so I just focus on listening part and learning some different thing as well, like idioms, phrases, like that. So yeah.
Yes, even I also watch some videos, some blogs, English blogs, and
Mhm.
English supported movies.
Okay, because when we focus only on grammar things and we are not speaking, then we can't learn. And now I have seen that people try to speak and then they learn grammar things later on.
Yes, yes, yes. Firstly, we have to speak, and then when we become fluent English, that time we have to focus on the grammar mistake.
Yes, you are right.